Hey guys, part 2 of this video. Check out this transformation from stock. In this video, I'm going to show you how to black out and do the Audi mod. And if you want your headlights or taillights customized by me, hit me up at Coupe DIY on Instagram. Let's get this tutorial started. So we're pretty much painting this entire housing and this little guy as well. To prep for paint, I'm going to use the back of a sponge as a scuff pad. You want to make sure you get every corner possible. Leave no space behind because if you do, it will be shown in your final paint job. Let's go ahead and degrease the surface with soap and water. Then you want to wipe this down. Next, we're taking some alcohol and we're going to wipe down the entire surface over here. You also want to do the same procedure for the little piece over here. Now we're ready to go ahead and paint these. So this piece, we're going to remove the 3 reflectors over here. You're going to need like a flat card and possibly a little tiny pin. Pick it off. If I slide my card here. No. Yeah, right here, perfect. These are your 3 reflectors. Now we're just gonna prep this for paint. After this is done, perfect. Now it's time we paint. Before we paint, let's just take off any last bit of debris. When you're doing your first coat, make sure you go left to right and right to left. It's okay if you don't get every area sprayed, but just do a thorough job of getting most area covered and spray lightly as possible. But check out this paint booth though. I found some free stuff lying around in the house, so I was on a budget. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. There we go. We'll come back after 10 minutes. Alright, round number 2, let's go. You want to spray a little bit heavier this time. Okay, that was round 2. 10 more minutes and we'll start round 3. Final round, fight. Also guys, don't be cool like me, please wear a respirator. Okay, we're done with painting. Let it cure for another 30 minutes. Jeez, that's looking wonderful. It's blacked out all over the place and we are ready to put this back and reassemble it. We're gonna put this piece back inside here. Okay, something like that. Okay, so now we have this piece inside of here. Let's go put on the lenses. Okay, so let's start off with the lenses. We're gonna go right here. Okay, cool. That's one. Let's get our next piece over here. So we're gonna have it like this. Perfect. That's looking good. And we'll just wipe this down for good measure. In order to admire the real beauty of the blackout, we're gonna have to cancel this spoon, so we're not gonna use this. My camera wasn't rolling when I installed the circuit board, but all you gotta do is mount it on the top over here and hold it down with 2 screws. Once you have that installed, you can mount the LED strip around the circuit board. There you go. And lastly, yeah, right there. Now, this guy, you wanna put a clip right there. Cool. After you get that done, this is how it's gonna look like. Now you have the LEDs inside, and you have all the LEDs going around here. So now we put the reflectors back into this blade looking thing. Okay, and here you go. So this piece here, we are just gonna clear whatever it is up here with a reflector. Should go okay, let's wipe that down. Okay, and that's your housing for this. Next step is putting this guy into this guy, would just go right on top. Snap on. Perfect. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, let's go screw this guy in, which we're just gonna put it right there. One right here. And this is it, guys. So let's go test out the lighting on this. So these are the stock BK2 tails, and when you turn it on, it's gonna look like this. Okay, so to do the Audi mod, this is what you want to do. Watch this, guys. It's so simple to do this mod. All you gotta do is cut off this blue wire. That's it. So in the daytime, instead of all of these lights are on, which is stock, it's only going to be these lights, and that's what makes it an Audi. Okay, then you take some electrical tape, and we put this around here. There you go. So pretty much like this, and if you want, you can cover this side as well, and we just wrap it around. We can leave it like this, but let's try this on right now. Jeez, what do you guys think? So as you can see, it's only the outer edge, and the inside here is disabled. Alright, let's go continue our setup. In the garage, basically all we're going to do is smoothen down the entire edge. You could do this many ways. You can use sandpaper, so we're just going to do that. What you're also going to have is burring, and what that is melted plastic after you use the Dremel blade. So you got to use your hand and just pick it off, and once you're done that, you can use sandpaper and smoothen it down. Once you're done that, you want to clean out the entire inside of this area, so we're just gonna like soap and water this stuff. Last thing you want inside here is any dust, any debris. That's pretty much it for the back housing. Alright, main event time. This is our lens. Pretty much just not grind down, but like, yeah, whatever, sand down, whatever is around all this area. The only thing I'm gonna do inside is just use a duster. Yeah, you have absolutely no reason to touch the inside of the lens. The lens is clean, let's go put our entire unit inside of the lens now. So, here's our unit. One last spray down. Gonna be a little tricky, but we can do this. It's kind of like this. There. Okay. That was a lot easier than I thought. Now we're gonna flip this around and hopefully it looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay. That's looking way better. Next part is putting this guy back on. Nope. Like this. Okay, so we put on the 4 screws that we took off. Let's start off with this corner. Next is gonna be down here. The other one's gonna be right in here. Yeah, so this is what you gotta do. You gotta put the screw on. Got it. I got it. This one is right beside over here. If you guys know a better way to screw this in, let me know, because I feel like an idiot. So our final step is to seal it up. I'm gonna use something called Dynaflex 230. It's like a waterproof window sealant. As you can see over here, I already went ahead and did the second taillights. Basically, I'm gonna show you how you can bridge the gap and proper sealant as best as you can, okay? If you want, you could also use silicone, a hot glue gun, you could plastic weld it, and then you can apply this caulking material. To help you further, you're gonna need to use a caulking gun. All I'm using is a single bead and filling it over my Dremel cut line. After that, with my finger and a latex glove, I'm just gonna evenly distribute it as best as I can. Keep in mind, this is gonna be really messy. However, no one's gonna see this craft, so you're all good. I also use a toothpick to fill in any holes that I may have missed. Basically, what you're doing is just smudging it. Also, this sealant takes about 3 to 4 hours to cure. You can use any color that you like, however I chose black because it matches the housing. Now we're gonna put on our little handle thingy on. Okay, cool, so that goes like that. Oh, where's my screws? Alright, looking good, looking good. Let's go install this on the car. Let me show you a little bit of a behind the scenes look. Now, this part over here will never be pretty. As long as you do a good job of sealing this up, you're gonna be fine. The purpose of this is to prevent water from leaking in and to provide as much structural integrity as you can. Okay, and we got the lights installed on my client's car. It's looking wicked with this gray paint. Also follow me on Instagram to be updated with the latest custom headlights and taillights I'm gonna do. And if you guys want something done, make sure you DM me. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace!